Hi, ladies. You know who it is. Your bestest friend. It's Mrs. Hardeman. Well, Mimi. I want to congratulate you all for a job well done in education, how you supported our youth, how you have gone far and beyond your expectations, and you've done it with love in your hearts for our children, and you've helped them thrive in many, many ways. So I want to congratulate you, and I want you to live your best life after you get out of here. And I will talk in your ear after this when I mean out of here. So I love you so much, and please call me on the days that you just want to laugh. Love you much. Bye.
Happy retirement, Miss Berry, Miss Smith.
Hello, Miss Smith and Miss Berry. We have had lots of conversations, so you all know all the secrets of getting to the other side. Golden girls, getting ready to live the golden life. I am so grateful for your friendship, and I'm so excited about your very next chapters. So I'm excited to hear all those golden adventures. Go live it, girls. Golden girls, all the way.
You say something all three at the
Hi
same
there,
time.
ladies. How are you? It is such a pleasure to be greeting you with this special occasion. I certainly want to say how much we have really enjoyed seeing you, loving you, being with you, and all of the hard work that you have put out throughout all of these years. We wish you the very best. Thank you.
Miss Smith, Miss Berry, we love you. We're gonna miss you. Just enjoy your retirement. Just do what you want to do. Go shopping, travel. Just enjoy your retirement. And we love you. We definitely will miss you. We love you.
Hey Miss Berry, hey Miss Smith. I'm really gonna miss you guys. I want to congratulate you on your retirement, all the hard work that you've done over the years. It didn't go in vain. I know that you really did make a huge impact on the students and the staff here. Miss Smith, I'm so thankful that I met you. You always come in and visit us and see how we're doing. I just really appreciate the love and care that you show to me and the kids. To Miss Berry, I'm really gonna miss you because you're such a bright light. You give such positive energy. So I'm just really gonna miss seeing you every day. And again, I just wanna congratulate y'all.
Miss Smith, congratulations on your retirement. I wish you much success, and I know that the Cascade family is going to really miss you because you are such an integral part of our team. So make sure you come back and visit.
Congratulations, Miss Berry and Miss Smith. Happy retirement. Thank you so much for being that positive force that we need at Cascade Elementary School. We're going to miss you guys so much, and we hope that you just enjoy your retirement. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Miss Smith. I just wanted to let you know that we're gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss asking you for stuff. Every time I ask you for something, you're so accommodating, and we're just gonna miss you, but I want you to enjoy your retirement. Don't even think about this place. Do what you need to do to have fun.
Congratulations, Ms. Smith, on your retirement. I hope that you use these days to just have fun, enjoy yourself, and know that you will be missed. Thanks for all your hard work.
Congratulations, Miss Berry and Miss Smith, on your new adventure toward moving on to bigger things in your retirement. Good luck. We wish you the best, as we always will.
Hey, Kelly, how are you? Hey, Kelly, this is Eric. How are you? Congratulations on your retirement. This is your work brother, and we'll still talk. All right.
Miss Smith, you did it. It's retirement time. I want you to have a good time, put those feet up, enjoy, and just have fun. And you know we are going to miss you each and every day.
Hi Miss Smith, thank you so much for all you do. I wish you well in your retirement.
All right, the time has come for you to close this chapter in your life and begin a new one, which you get to celebrate and use your time your way. No more managing other people's babies. It's just managing your own, managing your time. Best wishes on your new journey. Bye.
Miss
Berry, you know you are absolutely awesome, and you know we're going to miss you each and every day, and I want you to enjoy your retirement, put those feet up, love on those grandbabies, and have a good time. We love you.
Congratulations, Miss Berry. I don't know what I'll do without you telling me to keep on going and keep on going, but I love you. I'm going to miss you. Congratulations and enjoy your retirement.
I just want to say thank you, Miss Berry, for everything. I really appreciate you. You know, you've been a big help here, and I love your smile and your personality, and I wish you the best.
Miss Berry, what can I say about you other than the fact that we love you, we're gonna miss you, we're jealous of you. Congratulations on your retirement, and I wish you many, many years of fun and excitement in whatever future endeavors you have.
Congratulations, Miss Berry. I am right behind you. You know that for a fact, but enjoy your retirement. I know you're gonna do a lot of traveling. Travel for me too. And I'll see you next year.
You've been the best teacher ever. I'm gonna miss you. I love you. Miss Bill, you're the best teacher ever. I will miss you when you retire, and I will always tell you. I love you. Happy retirement, Miss Barry. You is the best teacher. You help me read, help me read, help me fractions, and I love you. Happy retirement. Happy retirement. You have helped me stay out of trouble. You helped me get better on my reading and my math and my fractions. Thank you. Happy retirement, Dad. You had helped me learn, stay focused, and be strong. Happy retirement, Miss Berry.
Hi, Miss Berry. I just want to say you are a great teacher and you are a great person, and I'm so lucky that I got a chance to meet you, and I love you. Have a good retirement. Take me with you.
Miss Berry, deuces. I'm gonna miss you. You're the best teacher ever. Love you. Keep in touch. I got your number.
Hey, Miss Berry, I haven't known you for that long. Thank you for being at breakfast every morning. Thank you for being a memory for me during my elementary experience. We wish you all the best. Come sub at Young Middle School. Happy retirement!
Congratulations on your retirement, Miss Berry. It's been a pleasure working with you these past 2 years, and just know I'm right behind you.
Congratulations on your retirement, Miss Berry. I wish you nothing but the best.
Happy retirement! Happy retirement! We love you, Miss Berry. I am grateful for the things you have done.
Yes, I'm grateful for the victories we won. I could go on and on and on about your works, because I'm grateful, 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 so grateful to praise you, Lord.
Miss Berry, we just love you so much. I mean, how you come in the hallway just light the entire Cascade up. You continue to sing this song, and I want to leave you with this little quote. Retirement ends classroom lessons, but a teacher's wisdom lasts forever.
We just want to thank you for everything that you've done, everything that you have been, every text message, every phone call, every positive encounter. We just really appreciate you. We hope that you enjoy your retirement. We pray that you take these days and just apply it to the rest of your life. So we really, really, really heartfeltly appreciate everything that you've done.
Hey, Miss Berry, we're gonna miss you so much, but I'm so happy for you. You're finally retiring. Let's see if you really do it. But I want to say that it has been a complete pleasure working with you. We had so much fun. You're so caring. You do so much for the kids, and I really hope you enjoy your retirement. Try to rest.
Congratulations, Miss Berry and Miss Smith. I am elated that you were able to come and join us at Cascade Elementary School to wrap up your final years of service. I want to say, Miss Berry, even though your time has been short here, it's been really sweet. You are so passionate about what you do. You give your all, you give 110% to these scholars, Miss Berry. And I want you to know that you are appreciated. We will miss you. I'm going to miss your energy around the Tiger's Den, but I know retirement is going to look good on you, and I want you to enjoy every second of it. Miss Smith, congratulations. You've been here with me from the beginning. I really don't know what I'm going to do without you. You are my secret keeper. You are my protector. But I know that your family needs you more at this time. And so with that, I wish you well. Please come back to see me. Don't be a stranger in the Tiger's Den. Much love to you and congratulations.